Hi everyone, so my name is Mikdaro and today I'll be presenting a topic that I think is really useful for anyone managing social media, especially when it's come to a food review. The title of my presentation is how to use ChatGPT to write effective social media caption for food review. In this section, I show you how AI, specifically ChatGPT, can help streamline your content creation process and boost your engagement. And here is my exactly example that I use it to manage my social media that I'm doing my senior projects about pocket chip food on a Facebook platform. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of AI in social media management. Tools like ChatGPT are designed to enhance creativity and efficiency instead of spending hours brainstorming caption or copy. AI can generate a creative and engaging content in a second. This is a game changer for platforms like Facebook or Instagram, where keeping up with frequent posts can be time consuming. AI can help develop captions that resonate with your audience, ensuring that your posts are both engaging and effective. Whether you are a social media manager or small business owner, AI can help save time to make your content more impactful. Now let's focus on why ChatGPT particularly useful for food review. First, it can generate creative caption quickly, save you a lot of time, but more importantly, it allows you to adjust the tone and style for your caption to fit your brand better, want a friendly, casual tone or something more professional. ChatGPT can adapt to your need. Another key benefit its ability to incorporate SEO keywords and hashtags, which can help your post reach a wider audience originally. For example, if you're posting about a local dish in Phuket, AI can help you include relevant keywords that boost your post visibility. So, how do you access ChatGPT? It's quite simple. You can go to openai.com and either use a free version or choose a plan for more advanced feature. There are also platforms like Canva that integrate AI tool directly allowing you to access AI feature within your design workflow. Getting started is easy, and once you have access to the possibility are endless. Whether you are just experimenting or looking for serious content support, ChatGPT offers a user-friendly interface that anyone can use it. Now let's get into the practical side of things. Writing effective prompt. When you ask ChatGPT to generate a caption, the quality of the output depends largely on the prompt you provided. Be sure to include specific details about the food you are reviewing, such as a spicy Thai stir fry or a fresh sushi platter. Also specify the tone you want to use. For example, you might ask for a friendly and engaging caption. Here an example of a prompt you can uh, use with, like, write a fun, catchy caption for a plate of spicy pad thai, focusing on its affordable affordability. With a well crafted prompt, you get a caption that suits your brand perfectly. Once ChatGPT generates a caption, you can refine and adjust it to meet your exact need. You might want to make it shorter, change the tone, or add a call to action. For example, you could say, can you make this caption shorter, or add a relevant hashtag like pocket chip it. And you can also ask the AI to add special offer or highlight a particular aspect of the dish such as a discount or unique flavor. Customizing caption with ChatGPT is easy and allow you to maintain control over the final output while it's saving time. So let's watch my video. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope it will be useful for you, and let's practice it to be at one with AI.